Hey, hello, welcome to my other channel. I hope the name is not taken. I have not checked if it's available or not. So, if it's not available, welcome to. Today I'm going to fix the heater core because the radiator is rotten, so it's losing coolant. And also I'm going to figure out where am I losing oil, because the engine is losing oil. Before it was losing on the valve cover, but I changed the gasket of the valve cover, so it's not losing oil there. My suspicion, I think that it's losing oil in the oil cooler. So hopefully it's just that. I'm worried that the heater core, the radiator heater, I already have the replacement, but the bolt heads are so rusted that you cannot put a screwdriver or anything. And since I don't have electricity where I'm gonna be working, I don't know how I'm gonna remove those screws, because if I had electricity, I can just, with a Dremel, I could cut a line there so I could put a flat screwdriver, but it's not the case, so we'll figure it out. So that's it for today. I know it's not super fun, but if you have a T4 Volkswagen and you need to make these repairs, I hope it helps you. And if not, and you're just passing the time, welcome. So I have to check if I'm already on the edge or not. Yep, perfect. I think I have everything I need, at least for the heater core. And let's do that first, and then we'll mess with the oil. Okay, so let me show you what I meant. Here we have the screws, and as you can see, they are very rusty, so it will be very hard to remove them. I don't know. Let's hope it's not that hard. So I brought these clamps so I can clamp the hoses so I don't lose too much coolant. Okay, as you can see, I already changed my clothing so I don't get my better clothing so dirty. Let's see. I guess you guys can see here. I'm not so sure, but there's not much I can do. Remember, it is what it is. I don't have an action cam, so it's either this or nothing. Okay, let's hope. I just can hope that it's on frame. I'm not sure. Let's see. So supposedly see, the head is super rusty. It's moving great, but it did stop. It's not moving anywhere. Fuck me. See, that's the state of the hardware. It's all rusty and corroded. I'll try to see this one right here. It's gone. It's a goner, and the one up as well. So it will take me a while to take these two out I'll leave you guys, and if I manage to get them out, we'll get back. Okay, no dice. I was able to remove 2 bolts, but the other 2 are just way too rusty. As I said before, the bolt head, it's gone, so my only option is to cut a groove on it so I can put a flat screw and take it out. Okay, so it's about to be dark, so I want to work on this right now. It's almost 7 or 8 degrees Celsius. Let's see how this goes. I don't know if you can see or not. It just broke. I just broke the Dremel tip. Okay, so I managed to remove the 2 bolts. Now I'm gonna remove the hoses so I can take out the heater core. There we go. Finally. This is our old core, the one we are replacing. Do I have that gasket or do I need it? As you can see, this was inside the heater. So I have to clean inside the housing, sorry. I have to clean the heater housing and then put the new one. The new core, the new radiator, however you want to call it. I just hope it's the same size. But I just realized it does not come with a gasket. The other one has a gasket here, so the old one has a gasket here. So I have this for the surroundings, which is good, but the gasket, I'm gonna have to take it out from the old one. I just removed the old gasket, I mean the outer gasket from the old heater, and I guess I gotta Okay, since I don't have all the bolts, I'm going to use just 2 in a cross pattern in the meantime. So basically, the ones that have easier access. This one and this one. Until I find the replacement bolts. Okay, this is just in the meantime. Little bit of lubricant and in we go. Easy. Easy. There we go. Number 1 set. Number 2 set. There we go. Okay, I did it. Let's get out of here. I'm tired. I'm cold, super cold, extremely cold.